Hey guys, I am standing in front of the 2025 Four Winns H9 Outboard offered by SkipperBud's Lake St. Clair here at Belmar Harbor. Stunning gray here. This boat is powered by twin MERCURY 300 Verados. This does have a flip back seat on the stern here for both forward and rear facing lounging and seating. The port side companion seat also flips back and forth to provide both forward and aft facing seating. Nice little wet bar with a refrigerator and sink. Dual screens, joystick, your twin MERCURY binnacles. A bow thruster as well. This boat does have a head. Nice porcelain toilet, pump out of course. Underneath the flooring here there are dual storage areas. Nice forward bow seating. It does have filler cushions to make that one big lounge pad. And here we have two coolers on a slide out. Windlass anchor. And one thing I did miss at the back, this does have dual or twin beach doors that fold down just with space. They're not able to fold down here. Reach out for more details or for a showing. Have a great day.